Hi Raj, and this is your Tree of Life communicating with you directly here. The reason for the is because you and I have got quite a project on our hands, so to speak, to disentangle and release ourselves from the processing center that has developed within and as you, through which you are at this current moment living. Meaning you're living through a processing center that you've designed and manifested within and as you. And this is how it works. So your entire mind, your entire mind you have developed as a processing center. In other words, let's say you receive something from someone, from perspective of either reading or hearing. What you'll do, you'll receive it, and then what you'll do is you'll literally first process what's been heard or what has been read within and as you through the mind. And this processing is you first analyzing, inquiring, investigating, exploring, discovering, but you'll literally have the knowledge and information come inside you, and you've got all these sections inside your human physical body, and then the main processing system is your mind. And as the knowledge and information would come to you, you'd literally, all the knowledge and information that you've received will kind of shoot through your entire human physical body as you're processing it. And then in your mind, by the actual manifested mother processing center, which is like almost the motherboard system of a computer, the mother processing center, what you'll do is you'll then interpret the knowledge and information through your mind, and within that you will accordingly decide what to do or what not to do with the knowledge and information that you've received. So in other words, you've literally become a super mind consciousness system processing center, where within and as you, it is as though, let's say for instance, you hear someone speaking or you read something. It is as if that which you're hearing and that which you're reading is alien to you, and the words that is spoken or the words that is read must first be sufficiently and effectively analyzed, investigated, within and as the entirety of you, before you will decide whether you will accept the information or whether you'll not accept the information, from a perspective of whether it will suit you or not suit you. But it's all being done from within a starting point of manifesting you and your world how you want it. Because you've developed such a fear of not being in control of you and your world and your life experience, that you've basically, within a manifested systematic structure, designed your reality within and without, but from a perspective of control. You wanting it to be how you want it to be. You want it to be how it must be, so that you can maintain control over you and your world, and that nothing unpredictable or unexpected may occur within you and your world which you cannot handle. So it's literally like you are and have become the guard of you and your reality. And it's like anything that comes in, even someone, when you read, when you watch, anything visual and which you hear, which you feel, you will literally first process within and as you through the mind, and then project it onto you and your world to kind of fit into you and your world if you give it an okay, if it is acceptable, if you're able to fit in that which you're hearing or that which you're reading into you and your reality, then only you're fine with it. Other than that, you will basically just shove it away, shove it aside, not accept or allow anything or anyone in you or in your reality without your controlled specific permission. So, Raj, you and I have got quite a task ahead, because within you and your reality, you've manifested like a fort with these steel bars around your world and around you, and you're the guard of this fort, of you and your reality, and nothing and no one may come in or enter unless you have first processed the knowledge and information, or that which you've seen, or that which you've heard within and as you. And it's literally like that which you hear or that which you see is like being analyzed within and as the entirety of your human physical body and your mind consciousness system, which is your entire processing center, and then you'll see if you agree or disagree, and whether you'll be able to project this which you've seen or heard within you and your reality to continue maintaining that manifestation of control. Therefore, Raj, it's time to live. You haven't lived before. You've only always existed in a fear which had manifested in a form of control of the unexpected, the unpredictable. It's like you always want to know, you always have to know what is ahead. And then you kind of, in that knowing or understanding, you kind of create your own reality, but from a perspective of fear, always being prepared for the unknown. And in doing that, you've created an entire mind manifested reality within you and your world, and you haven't accepted and allowed you vulnerability, openness, just breathing here in honesty living. Because what's driving you is wanting to know, having to know, must know. And that having to know, must know, and want know is a fear, because you first want to prepare you and your reality, because you don't want to experience the unexpected, because the unexpected scares the living shit out of you, because you wouldn't know who you would be within a moment of unpredictability. And that's what scares you. Alright, thank you very much.